Greetings, dear students. I take great pleasure in announcing and inviting all of you for the PG course that will be conducted and the next weekend after Diwali, the second weekend of November, 12th, 13th and 14th. A very brief intro of the program. Day 1 will be focused exclusively on trauma. You'll get to revise your basic trauma skills and you'll have expert faculty to guide you. The remaining 2 days are very practically oriented. They are practically oriented with respect to clinical examination and other exam related things, and the emphasis is on interaction. And obviously this interaction is possible only through your participation. So I'll be hoping to see all of you there. I would be there, a lot of other colleagues would be there, and we would love to guide you and we would love to learn from each other. Looking forward to seeing you in the second weekend of November 2021.